Have you ever been working in ActivityHD when your session suddenly appears to freeze? You can't select anything, and you might hear a chime each time you try to click. In some cases, the screen isn't actually frozen, even though it seems like it is. One situation where this can happen is when you're not on the most recent dialog or modal window. Let's take a look at how this can occur. First, navigate to AP Invoices. Open an invoice, then locate a field where you can use F3 to fill in information. Press F3 to open the selection window with the details you need. Now let's say you need to return to the previous window to review or adjust something. When you try to click on that window, you'll notice that nothing happens, and the system plays a chiming sound like this. A similar scenario can occur if you hover over your available windows at the bottom of your screen and select the HD view. You'll see that the invoice has a lock symbol on it, and you still won't be able to select anything. In situations like these, it may seem like ActivityHD is frozen, when in reality you just need to locate and select the most recently opened dialog window. An easy way to do this is to return to the bottom of your screen, hover over the ActivityHD icon, and select the window on the far right. This will typically be the most recent window you opened. Once selected, you'll be able to interact with and update information in the dialog window. After closing this window, you'll notice that you can once again click and make changes in the other windows. When you close the invoice, the lock on the HD view will also disappear. In some cases, the dialog window that is supposed to appear on top of the others will not pop up as the uppermost window. Let's take a look at an example. Navigate to the General Ledger and open the Financial Designs. Then, select a financial design and open the Excel workbook. This may take just a moment to load. Once the workbook has opened, a financial options window is supposed to appear at the forefront of your screen. Sometimes you might only see the Excel workbook with a blue loading icon instead of a mouse. If this happens, hover over the Excel icon at the bottom of the screen and select the Financial Options window. Once you click OK, you should be able to edit the workbook without further issues. Lastly, if you have ruled out that these suggestions are not the cause of your frozen session, please report the behavior to AccountingWare support with any additional context about where you were in the software and which steps led up to the freeze. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Please reach out to our support team or visit the help text for more information. Thanks for watching.